Today we're diving into the world of photography apps specifically designed for Instagram. We'll explore some of the best features these applications offer to help you create eye-catching visuals effortlessly. A Square photo application for Instagram is designed specifically to help users create and edit images in a square format, which is ideal for posting on the platform. These apps typically offer various features, including filters, cropping tools, and adjustment options for brightness, contrast, and saturation. Users can also add text, stickers, and frames to their photos to enhance creativity. Moreover, many of these applications allow for easy sharing directly to Instagram, simplifying the process of getting the perfect shot ready for posting. They often include user-friendly interfaces, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced users. Some may even offer additional functionalities like collage making or the ability to create templates for consistent branding. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview inspires you to elevate your Instagram game with the perfect Square photo app, and see you in the next video.